Big up to Kanye. His album Donda is now RIAA certified gold. That album Donda did very well for Kanye. Big up to you. Congratulations. We know the album is a mixture of hip hop, gospel, and pop. Big up to Kanye. The album is now certified gold. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and humble welcome to Journalist Entertainment. He will give you hundreds of trending issues in Nigeria, Africa, and the world at large. Please do it with the subscribe button to the and the like so as to stay updated whenever we upload new content. Well, talking about music, let's come back onto our beloved country, Nigeria. Let's talk about the Odogu, the giant of Africa, Burna Boy. Burna Boy becomes first Nigerian artist with 1 billion YouTube views. 1 billion YouTube views. That's a huge one. Nigerian international superstar Burna Boy has crossed the 1 billion views mark on his YouTube channel, making him the first Nigerian act to do so. Congratulations to the Odogu, to the giant of Africa. Burna Boy benefited greatly from the power of 2 Grammy-nominated albums, one of which got him his first Grammy Award. The 2 albums churned out consistent hits, which have videos doing very well on his YouTube channel. So I said earlier, Burna Boy became the first Nigerian artist to cross a billion views mark on YouTube, with videos like On The Low contributing with a massive 225 million. Burna Boy's Year single, which many will refer to as his international breakthrough material, has 159 million views. On the list of artists and their views on YouTube, Burna Boy is number 1 on the list with over 1 billion views. While Davido has a total of 963 million views, followed by Wizkid with 960 million views. We have Tekno with 790 million views, Tiwa Savage with 380 million views, Olamide 311 million views, and Runtown 306 million views. Big ups to all these guys. I mean, and the only lady on this list is Tiwa Savage. They'll be doing very well. They'll be dropping hits back to back. We really congratulate them for these great achievements. It's not easy to have huge numbers of views on YouTube. It's very difficult. Ask YouTubers like us, who will tell you. Let's talk about that part of entertainment, the cross-dressing part of entertainment, and the Nollywood. The Nollywood movie industry have been doing very well. I mean, you can't count 3 movie industries in the world without including Nollywood. They'll be doing very well. And we have Tonto Dike, who's standing in for the Nollywood movie industry. And we have Bobrisky, who's standing in for the Crossdressers Association of Nigeria. Regarding the crossdresser Bobrisky and the Nollywood actress Tonto Dike, there's been this drama that's been happening over the week. Bobrisky has been attacking Tonto Dike since she broke up with her estranged boyfriend, Prince. Well, we got this news from a desk of Bobrisky. Bobrisky says, please find it in your heart to forgive me. He has apologized, or she has apologized to Tonto Dike. Idris Okuneye, a Nigerian crossdresser popularly known as Bobrisky, publicly apologized to his or her ex-best friend. Tonto Dike shared a post on Instagram about how jealous friends present themselves as if they are supportive. Bobrisky fled on social media and accused Tonto Dike of living a fake life and owing him 5 million naira. However, Bobrisky apologized to the popular actor and his ex-best friend Tonto Dike on Tuesday morning as he shared posts on Instagram begging Tonto Dike to forgive him for calling her out on social media. Tonto, I humiliated you here, so it's a must that I must come here to apologize for calling you out. I honestly didn't know what came over me, but I later realized I was wrong. Please find it in your heart to forgive me. He added, yes, I might have been there for you as friends. And truth is, you were also there for me at some point in my life. Please find it in your heart to forgive me once more. We hope Tonto Dike will find it in her heart to forgive Bobrisky, because Bobrisky has updated on Tonto Dike's decision. We haven't heard from the desk of Tonto Dike, though Bobrisky has apologized for what he said to his ex-best friend Tonto Dike. Well, let's move on to the desk of the Big Brother Naija show. That is one of the shows that's giving us vibe in this country. People have been following the shows back to back. Most housemates have been evicted, and we have 6 housemates standing. Now, who do you think will go with this 90 million naira? So many persons are written in for white money. I mean, people have been going to the streets, asking, clamoring for support, for vote, that people should come and vote for white money. Some people are saying that Mikoros will win the money. Some persons we have so many fans out here who are supporting the 6 housemates in the house right now. Still talking about the Big Brother Naija, we have this news from the desk of Tega's husband. Tega's husband said, you all should stop addressing me as Tega's husband. My name is Ajebo CEO at Ajebo Clothing, to whom it may concern. We've heard it from the desk of Tega's husband that he should stop being addressed as Tega's husband. Voila. Voila, they for this country. But according to what so many persons said, that they didn't know him before his wife, Tega, went to Big Brother Nigeria. And he's now asking us to stop addressing him as Tega's husband. What do you think about that? Please don't forget to drop a comment. Still on the Big Brother Nigeria show, the season 6, the Shine Your Eye edition that is ongoing right now. White Money has been doing his thing. He's been cashing crews, he's been winning our hearts. He's a nice person anyway. So many persons have been saying that White Money is a nice guy, though he hasn't entered the plane before. That is what he said. According to media personality Toke Makinwa, she is curious about the distance Big Brother Nigeria star White Money gives the ladies on the reality show. She has now raised questions about his marital status and said that he might be married with kids. We don't know if White Money is married with kids, but according to Toke Makinwa, that White Money has been distancing himself from the ladies in the house. You don't see him pecking, touching, or kissing ladies unnecessarily. Here, let me phrase it that way. But according to Toke Makinwa, she said it's like this guy is married. That is why he's acting this way. What are your thoughts regarding that? Don't forget to drop a comment on the comment section below. Still talking about White Money, we have this news from the desk of billionaire Prince White, who is at the upper echelon. From the desk of billionaire Prince White, he said, from day one, you walked in with your true identity and with the aura of greatness adorned on you unadulterated. You have been built and prepared for this moment and beyond. You are a true son and worthy representative of the millions of the billionaires and the hashtag Money Gang all over the world to extend my royal felicitations to you, my at E-Money. Congratulations, champ. Your 2023 Rolls Royce has been stationed to return you home with the crown. Long live the hashtag billionaire family. Long live the Money Gang. You get the point now. Well, we've heard it from the desk of billionaire Prince White at the upper echelon, congratulating White Money for his achievements so far. And according to him, that the 2023 Rolls Royce has been stationed to take White Money home with the crown. We have so many supporters of White Money out there. To them, not, I mean, the list of celebrities supporting White Money is growing by the day. That's a huge one. Do you really think White Money will go home with this 90 million naira? What do you think about that? Don't forget to drop a comment on the comment section. Still talking about the ongoing Big Brother Nigeria show and who will go home with the 90 million naira. Big Brother Nigeria Shine Your Eye finalist Angel has revealed what she will do if she eventually wins the grand prize of the show on Sunday. During her diary session with Big Brother on Tuesday afternoon, Angel, who fortunately found herself in the final part of the show, told Biggie that she will visit the cemetery to gist her late boyfriend about her achievements. Wow. According to Angel, her late boyfriend used to be her source of inspiration when he was alive. Some time ago, she used to tell him that she would never achieve much in her life. But he told her that she's a beautiful girl who will do great things. Angel told Biggie that she would excitedly go to the cemetery and tell her dead loved ones her success story if she becomes the winner of the show. Wow. She really loves this guy, according to what she said. But do you really think Angel will go home with this 90 million naira? About the Big Brother Nigeria, this season 4, the 4th edition of the show, which was won by Mercy Eke. Mercy Eke celebrated her birthday recently, and we got this news that missionaries gave Mercy $10,000 scholarship to Harvard Business School, amongst other gifts. $10,000 in this economy, that's a huge one. And regarding that, Mercy Eke dropped a message. She said, I am speechless. She was just speechless. She never expected it. She never expected this huge amount of money, among other gifts, $10,000 for her to go to school in Harvard. And that is one of the hottest or the best universities in the world. Her fans have sent her to school. And apart from that, Mercy Eke bought a house for herself, second house in like 2 years. There's one good thing about this Big Brother Nigeria show. You can't go to the house as Mr. A and come back as Mr. A. No, you come back as Mr. A+. That's one good thing about the Big Brother Nigeria show. That's why I see people clamoring to go to that show. And we don't know who will go home with this 90 million naira on the 6th edition or season 6 of the show, Big Brother Nigeria Shine Your Eye. So many persons, as I said earlier, are rooting in for white money. Who will you be voting for? Drop the name of the person on the comment section below. Well, enough said about our beloved country, Nigeria. Let's move on to the United States of America, because it's like anything that is happening to America is happening all over the world. Those guys are rolling. We have this news that U.S. government will run out of money by October 18. Treasury Secretary says, wow, U.S. government running out of money. I beg you. Where do we borrow from? Those of us in Nigeria, because we know how to borrow. Well, U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen warned lawmakers that the federal government will likely run out of cash and extraordinary measures by October 18 unless Congress raises the debt ceiling. The new estimate from Yellen raises the risk that the United States could default on its debts in a matter of weeks if Washington fails to act. A default would likely tanking markets and the economy and delaying payments of millions of Americans. Yellen cautioned that the October 18 deadline is only an estimate because the federal government's cash flows are subject to unavoidable variability. She noted that the government's daily gross cash flow, excluding financing, averaged nearly 50 billion US dollars per day over the past year and has even exceeded $300 billion. The risk is that Congress runs out of cash earlier than expected, setting the stage for an accidental default. The source of this news is CNN. Wow. United States of America running out of money. Wow. Still talking about the United States of America, you know, that's where some of the richest men are. That is where they are from. We have the top 3 richest men in the world. We have Jeff Bezos, we have Elon Musk. We have this drama. I know drama has been trailing between Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk. Musk says he will send Bezos a silver medal and a giant statue of number 2. Wow. After becoming the world's richest person by crossing $200 billion in net worth, SpaceX CEO Elon Musk joked that he would be sending a giant statue of the digit 2 along with a silver medal to Amazon founder Jeff Bezos. Bezos had crossed the magic figure of $200 billion last year as Amazon shares surged. According to Forbes, Tesla's shares have been skyrocketing since the pandemic began as Musk's network has zoomed. The source of this is WION. These guys have been making money. 200 billion. So right now, Elon Musk is the number 1 and Jeff Bezos is the number 2. You know, they keep switching sides. Before you know it, Jeff Bezos will come back to number 1 and vice versa. They'll be switching sides. But that's all good. That's all good. Big ups to you, Elon Musk. You are now the number 1, the richest man on planet Earth. That's a huge one. We all want to be as rich as Elon Musk. Thank you very much for watching Juggulist Entertainment. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the bell, and to like so as to stay updated whenever we upload new content. Take care of you, and please do have a lovely day.